How to do this one-handed. Get your boots on. And of course I can't tie them one-handed, but at least get them tight. Goodness sakes. All right. Grab my hats. I'm not sure exactly how warm it is. I mean, I seen it said it was 46 out, but the sun is shining, so I thought, well, maybe I'll be okay with just a hat, my pullover on, and of course I gotta get my gloves. It's a little crispy out here, just a little bit, but I think if I get moving and I don't think it would be quite as warm, or quite as cool. It'll warm up some. Boys, you need some food? It looks like you guys got plenty in there. Yeah, it does. It looks like you guys got plenty in there. You just want some thrown in, maybe? This is a Gamecock blend is what it's called. It's $25 for a 50-pound bag. And they have a tendency of eating it quite often, and then they have a tendency of not eating it quite often. Makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? White kitty down there, I see. We gotta go grab Max and put him back. He was doing a lot of barking very early this morning for about 2.5 hours because he kept me awake. I think I got woke up around 2:45 and he was barking. And then he was barking until about 4:20 this morning, 4:30, something like that. So he was barking for quite a while. I'm hoping nothing got killed. I'm going to let him out, and then I'm going to walk in there real quick so we can check just to make sure. There's a squirrel up on that sassafras tree. Max, you're a good boy protecting her. There's your little baby. Go on. Hi, ladies. Is everybody good? Hi, is everybody good? Is everybody good? I'm gonna check. Mango, where are you at? Is she in here? There's some more little chickies. It looks like everybody survived. Mango, what you doing, girl? Got a lone egg over there, I see. That don't need to be there. No, say it don't need to be there. Huh, Mango? Huh, girly girl. Say maybe we'll stick it in here. Maybe get somebody to lay in one of these. So we got our broody hen right there. There's a hen right there. There's an egg right there. There's a hen in there. There's nothing in these. Yes, ladies, yes. Oh, I know. Excuse me. Okay, Max, you about ready to go back? Since I checked everybody? Well, I want to look over here real quick. Make sure nobody drowned in our water. It's still pretty clear, so I'm happy to see that. Ladies, 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 you guys got plenty of food. I'm not giving you nothing. I do have to bring you some hay, though. Get them some alfalfa hay. Stay down. Max, stay down. Wanting to jump on me. Okay, boy, let's roll. Come on, Max. Come on. What you got? What is that? Get it. What is it, Max? Huh? Come on, boy. Come on. Max, come on. Good job. Nope, stay in there. Get back. Back up. Grab the stick. What's that? That's not what I gave you, you silly dog. That's not what I gave you. No, it's not. Darn it. You're being too excited. Can't get this. Can't get it in there. Come on. Sometimes the easiest stuff is never that easy. Good boy, Max. Good boy. I don't see anything out here. I don't see anything else. Here's a small one. I mean, you want to go catch it? I didn't throw it yet. It's right here. You're silly. You're a silly boy. You're just a silly boy. Okay. You tell us. Tell us, everyone, wake up. It's time to get up. Okay. Now we'll go down and see if we have any more dead bunnies. So prepare yourself. We might have some dead bunnies. I did lose 2 yesterday. Yesterday was my last day of treating everybody. And I watered last night, so nobody should need watered. I mean, besides the rabbits, of course they'll need watered. But I mean, I watered everybody else. So now I'm 5 days of not treating anybody. And then after my 5 more days, which would be next Wednesday, I will start treating everybody for 5 days. Oh, I was going to check all this. We were under a freeze warning yesterday. Everything here looks okay. I'm not so sure. They're trying. And this one, something picked it off on my stem right here. So I don't know. Hopefully they'll do okay. I mean, I can get my money back on that one. I think that's probably what I'll do. I'll just take it back and then I'll dig one of those out and put it in there, and then I'll just have my 4. I'm gonna quit trying. This stuff I know can handle the frost. Look at all the flowers on my strawberries. These got any flowers? Thought I seen one right here. Yep, there's one flower. And they look all right. They look like they survived it. Got flowers all over on the big mama plants. This is my mama plant where I take all my runners off. And these are all the babies that I've taken off, and those 3 right there too. These look like they all survived pretty good. That looks good. My raspberries. The one looks good. The other ones still don't have nothing on it. But yeah, let's keep going. Keep rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. I know Captain and Meg's probably going to need a bale put in tonight. I'll get Jill up there. She's looking at something. They were looking at something this morning over in that direction, and Jill was running around in there, snorting, blowing her horn, had everybody all up on their toes trying to figure out what she was snorting at. Me too. My husband just has this little patch right there to take down, and this meat bird area is done. I think there's just a couple more smaller trees he wants to take down. This right there, that one's got to come down. That big cherry, one of these cherries over here, he said he wanted to get down. But this right here is going to be the meat bird. Then we're going to have a turkey area. Then it's going to be the duck area. And then right between the ducks and the hens is going to be our rooster area. Then our hens area is going to take off from the corner up there, go up to the top, 10 feet away from the property line, come back this way, come all the way up behind the blue garage there, come down, and then connect back out there one corner. So they're going to have one of the biggest areas to be able to go in, but when you have 33, right now we have 33 hens, and of course not all 33 are laying, because 18 of them are this year's offspring. So yesterday there was a dead one in here, and this batch right here, I'm saying, there was a dead one in this one. Hi, how you doing? You doing okay? You two look pretty good. You still look like you're a little under the weather. These 2 boys, and then I had one dead, and this one down here, or no, maybe it was this one up here, I can't remember. One of the 2 of these were dead. Is there anyone dead in here? You guys look all right. You still look like, there's one here that I was kind of concerned about still, but we can see they're not dead, so that's a good thing. And all these look great. All hers look great. I need to clean out pans again. And then what about yours? You got a baby on top of you there. Where's your other little black one? There it is. And then her baby's right there. Okay, and make sure we ain't got nobody dead over here. These guys all look like they were pretty good yesterday. I mean, everybody looks really good from this batch, which is her babies. I've lost one out of her babies, but I think I got them treated sooner than what these 2 batches were. These are her babies. These ones right here, those are her babies, and her babies were right there on that corner. So that is that. I've got to get everybody watered and fed. I'm gonna go check on my boys real quick, and then once I get that done, we will. Almost thought I seen this one breeding one of those. That's not good if that's the case. Oh no, is that a dead one right there? It is. There's a dead one right there. That's not good. Dang it. Yeah, it's dead. Man, that sucks. This was a big rabbit too. I'm trying to hold it up. We're gonna put it right over here. Dang it. These guys I didn't even think were sick. I mean, that's just how fast it goes through your whole area. So, unfortunately, we did lose one. Okay, let's check the boys real quick. My bucks. 3 right here, and one that's still for sale. Hi guys, I know you need some water. Samson's like, and I need some hay. Give me some hay. So let me get everybody watered and fed, and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, I just finished haying everybody who needed hay. Just these 2 boys needed hay. Darius, he just wants to be petted. Come on, you gotta move back. You gotta move back so I can pet ya. Yes. He's such a good boy. Darius is a very loving boy. Very loving. He just loves to be touched and petted, don't you, Darius? See, he's a good boy. Yes, he is. Just trying not to get your ears there, boy. He just loves his face. He don't care. He's a good boy. Okay, watch your head so I don't get you. He's getting better, too. He likes to have pets. He definitely likes to have pets. This one, I'm not keeping him. Unfortunately, I have no need for him. He'll either have to go when the rest of these get butchered, or if I can sell him before then, but I wanted to show again. Everybody's got hay. What are you guys doing zoom zooms for, huh? I'm hoping to keep a doe, 2 does out of here, one of the white ones and one of these. One looks more blue than the other, so I'll probably keep that one. It's too bad one of those wouldn't have been a doe, because I'd keep them. Oh, I gotta get them hay. I didn't even notice that. Goodness sakes. It's a good thing I showed it. See, they still have a little bit of hay, and so do they, so I'm not worried about giving them any. But those other ones are completely out. And I did everybody in here, so everybody's got hay. And then I watered everybody. Some are on them, some aren't. But thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe if you're new, and thank you to all our new subscribers. We appreciate each and every one of you. We are slowly growing, and that's the goal, to slowly grow and to try to make it a little more sustainable for our farm here with doing YouTube. So thank you guys again. We will see everybody tomorrow. There we go. Boys, you're just like your daddy. Yes, you are. You're just like your daddy. Till next time, God bless.